Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to buy and stake Haku token and earn passive crypto income. First you need MetaMask wallet. If you don't have it, just go to metamask.io, click on download now, and you will see here install for Chrome. Now I'm using Chrome, but MetaMask support Chrome, Firefox, Brave and Edge. Just click on install. You will see extension, click add to Chrome or some other browser that you're using. Wait for extension to be added. It takes a little. Wait until you see this, welcome to MetaMask, and click get started. If you already have wallet, as I said, just import your wallet with seed phrase. If you don't have it, click create wallet, click I agree, set up your wallet, save your recovery phrase to safe place and don't give it to anyone. When you are done with installing your MetaMask wallet, you need to connect that wallet to Avalanche network. Just go to Google, type how to connect MetaMask to Avalanche. You will see first link, that is support from AVAX, and you have all information here how to set up your MetaMask for Avalanche network. Or this is easier for me, go to Academy Binance and you also will see steps how to add MetaMask Avalanche to MetaMask, sorry. Okay, this is the setting of MetaMask wallet. Here this step is important for you. Go to your MetaMask. You see I'm already on Avalanche network. Just click here, click add network. You will see this, and now just copy all information from AVAX tutorial or Binance. Network name, copy, paste, new RPC URL, copy, paste, chain ID, just copy all this information to your MetaMask. Block Explorer URL. Okay, when you put all information here, just click save and your MetaMask will be connected to Avalanche network, as mine it is, as you can see here. After that you need to deposit some AVAX token here. You can do that transferring AVAX token from some other wallet or Binance exchange or some other exchange as you wish. Just copy your address here, paste it to Binance or some other wallet and deposit AVAX token here in this wallet. When you have AVAX token in wallet, go to hakuswap. You will see your wallet connected here, and now you need to buy Haku token. Okay, go to trade, exchange, just wait for your wallet to be loaded. Here you will see your balance of AVAX token, and here you will see Haku token type amount that you want to buy, for example 10,000. Sorry, now it's okay, it says that it's insufficient liquidity for this trade, but now it's okay. Just click swap. You will see here, click confirm swap. You will see this pop-up window from MetaMask and gas fee and everything. Gas fee is too small. When you are agree with gas fee and total amount, just click confirm and swap Haku token. Now I don't want to click confirm because I already have Haku token, and will click just to reject. Okay, when you are done, you will see your Haku token in your wallet. Just wait for transaction to be confirmed in Avalanche network. After that, you will see your Haku token in your MetaMask wallet, and you are ready to stake your tokens. Go to staking. First step, you need to stake your Haku token to receive xHaku. Just click stake. Here you will see balance. You can click maximum or just type amount that you want to stake. Click confirm. Approve transaction in MetaMask. Wait for transaction to be confirmed in Avalanche network, and you will see later after that xHaku token in your wallet. After that, just scroll down, you will see Haku pool here with APR. This is good APR for now. Just click on this plus button. You will see your xHaku available. Type amount that you want to stake. Click confirm. Again, confirm transaction in MetaMask. Wait for transaction to be completed, and your Haku will be staked for earning crypto income. Here you will see your stake APR. It slowly decreases by time, and you will see earned Haku here. When you want to claim harvest, just click harvest. You will see this pop-up window again. Just confirm that, and you will see Haku token in your wallet. You can reinvest, earn token, and earn more. That is all about staking. As you see on coingecko.com, price of swapu now is 3 cents, but it was 40 cents, as you can see. And my personal opinion is that price will go up, because as you can see on hakuswap, coming soon NFT and some other news that will make it to price goes up. Of course, that is not financial advice. I'm not financial advisor, just crypto enthusiast, and want to help some other people to earn passive income in crypto.